everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some basketball, and I know I haven't been doing these videos recently, but I was just out here doing basketball, and I was like, I have a YouTube channel, so let's just get right into it. So first, we're just going to do shooting, and I need to find a stand. Can you guys see the goal? No, you can't. So we're gonna have to go more up here. And you guys see it now? Yeah, but we can just go there. Perfect. Guys, I'm getting a basketball. So I got the basketball, and we're just gonna practice on shooting or we can do dribbling first because you guys don't know basketball. So that's why I clicked on this video, because I know it says Fidget World, but we just do random videos that pop into my head. So we're just gonna practice on dribbling. So dribble with your right hand. Now your left hand. Okay. And now, okay. So this is how you dribble. You don't want to smack it down hard. Then it will go up where you can't. It will go up where you can't reach it, right? So you just want to gently tap it so it goes up to your waist. Okay. Now, if it goes a little above, that's absolutely fine. But now we're going to learn crossovers. It uses your right hand and your left hand. It goes like this. Okay, now, pretend there's a piece of tape right here where my foot is. Not this one, this one. Pretend there's a piece of tape right there. You want to hit the tape, and then it'll bounce right back up like this. Just like that. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then you catch it whenever you want or done. Okay, how to shoot a basketball. Okay, so put your hand, make sure the basketball is like this. Put your hand right here. And then put your other hand on the side. And then you just go, yeet. So, let me show you how that looks. It looks just like this. Just like that. And it will go straight into the goal. Okay? So, now we're gonna do shooting, I guess. So, layups. Let me show you what a layup is. That is a layup, and you're supposed to make it, but it's okay to miss the shots. So, and yes guys, I love basketball. It's my favorite sport. So, let me show you what that looks like again. And then it's supposed to go in. But, okay, how to do a layup. Super easy. So, start back there, all the way back there to the end of the court. Okay. Now, I don't even know what that was, but court. Start all the way at the end of the court, okay? You run, twist, and right when you're about here, close to the goal, shoot your shot, okay? That's all you do. That's all a layup. Okay. wanted to run away from me. I don't know what, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna, there's like a little piece right here that I'm gonna shoot, and you guys can see if I make it or not. And just like that, so easy. But hand are here, other hand here. Shoot your shot. Now, that's all you do. Just shoot your shot. Let me do it one more time. And if you follow my instructions, you'll make it every single time. Like, do it again. Now, that time I didn't make it. But that's technically all the basketball things. Now, you don't need your basketball now. Guarding. Okay, let me get the ball. So, person that you're guarding has the ball. Okay? Person just dribbling. Okay? And then once they move, you do this. Now, we're going to work on sliding. This is sliding. Now, when you guard, do you get down like this on your knees? Yes, you do. Because when the person shoots, you go just like that. And if the person's short enough, you can hit the ball right out so it doesn't go in the goal. And that is technically all I have for you guys. Bye, guys.